Ever wondered how to make your Outgrow pages more trustworthy and SEO-friendly? In this video, we'll look at how you can strengthen the EEAT signals of your Outgrow content. Let's jump into the Outgrow dashboard. Open the content piece you'd like to optimize. This can be a quiz, calculator, assessment, or any other interactive experience. Once you're inside the builder, head over to Configure and under General and SEO settings, open SEO. Start by giving your page a clear, descriptive SEO title that reflects exactly what your content is about. Then write a compelling meta description that tells users what they'll gain from interacting with your content. Keep both concise, relevant, and naturally keyword focused. Next, scroll down to the Explanation for SEO section. This is where you can provide additional context about your interactive experience. Explain what the tool does, how the results are generated, and why users can trust the information they're receiving. You can also add an explanation to embeds. Once you've added your explanation, make sure Allow search engines to index and follow is enabled if you want your page to appear in search results. This allows search engines to crawl and index your content so it can be discovered by potential visitors. If you're still testing or making changes, you can leave this disabled until you're ready to publish. Beyond the SEO settings, you'll also notice how this page naturally builds trust through its structure. At the top, we have a clear results section with a heading and description space where you can explain outcomes in a transparent way. Right below that, there's a contact capture section asking, "How can we get in touch?" which helps establish credibility by allowing users to share their details securely, along with a clear submit button, making the experience feel more reliable and user-friendly. And finally, at the bottom, the Built with Outgrow branding reinforces platform transparency, which further strengthens trust and authenticity. Finally, preview your page to make sure everything is accurate, easy to understand, and provides genuine value to your audience. Creating helpful, transparent, and well-structured interactive content is one of the best ways to improve your EEAT signals over time, and that's it. With just a few optimizations, you can make your Outgrow pages more trustworthy and better prepared for search engines. Start your 7-day free trial with Outgrow to build interactive content that strengthens your EEAT signals, no coding needed.